Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I've not made a video in a while, and it's because I've been having issues with my vehicle. I've got a 2006 Ford Explorer. It's got the V8 in it, the 4.6 liter. Well, back about 8 months ago, I decided I want to replace the coil packs on this thing. I don't know when it's been replaced. So I bought some off of eBay because it was cheaper. I wanted to save some money. Well, I like to put Motorcraft parts on my car, and pricing them at the Ford place, it was over $800 for 8 of them. I bought these on eBay, saved a lot of money, but I realize now why I saved a lot of money. They're making fake Motorcraft parts, so beware. So this is not the bag. I didn't throw them away. They had the Ford logo, Motorcraft logo on them. But I started having issues with them about 2 months after putting them in there. Started having a coil pack go bad. Started having the engine light come on. Started having it flash on and everything. And then I started having other issues that are going in limp mode. And it's all because of these fake coil packs. They start to break down. So beware, guys. When you see something on eBay or somewhere else that's a good deal, well, you might get what you pay for it. So just let you know. As always, thanks for watching.